Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. And if you are new here, welcome guys. You're all appreciated over here. So guys, today we're gonna make some curry turkey wings. So I have turkey wings I just went to Maxi and get. I got 3 packs. And what we're gonna eat with our turkey wings today is some kalalo rice. I'm gonna make kalalo rice, guys. So over here are all my seasoning. So I'm gonna cut out my turkey wings and I'm gonna cut them up and I'm gonna wash them and I'm gonna be right back with you guys. So stay tuned. So okay guys, I'm cutting out my turkey wings. Guys, I love turkey wing. Anything with wings I love. Turkey wing, chicken wing. When you have a wing, it's me. There's nothing on this to clean up or cut off. Guys, I'm just gonna cut one wing in 2 pieces. Wash them with some vinegar. Juice. Guys, you're all appreciated over here, and thank you very much guys for your subscription, guys. I appreciate it all. And you keep watching and keep subscribing, guys. Hit on that subscribe button, guys. It's all free, guys. You don't have to pay to subscribe. So our videos can go out for more people to see. I think I see a little feather on this one. Pull it out. Guys, you gotta check, okay? Okay, the last spot now.
When we can't find the way, you lift me higher each and every day. Through the struggle, more hold firm and strong. With my faith, me keep pressing on. Carry me now, oh child, carry me now. Like a river to the ocean, you show me how. Carry me now, lift me off the ground. In your presence, my strength is found. Oh, carry me, child. As the sun sets, my heart give praise. Forever be thankful for all my days. Carry me now, carry me now.
So okay guys, so my turkey wing is finished cutting. I'm gonna wash my cutting board and wash my chicken, guys. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I finished washing my turkey wings. I'm gonna add some seasoning to it and let it marinate for a little bit while I cook my rice, okay? While I get my rice on the fire. So now I'm gonna add some Maggi seasoning, all purpose. I'm just gonna do a little bit, not much. Some curry, so okay. A little bit of ginger, a little bit of every little thing. I just eyeball my stuff, guys. I put more ginger, more than what's it. That's when I put little onion powder, not much. Practically, this is the season I use almost every day. A little garlic plus. A little bit too. Not much. flavor rice. Just a little dash. Some black pepper. It never fails. I trust in you. And now I'm gonna add my curry. And this is better pot curry, guys. I'm gonna throw the whole of this in there. I have another pot here, so if what I have don't enough, I can use it. I'm gonna drop a little olive oil inside. I'm dropping a little olive oil inside, just a 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons. And I'm gonna mix up this and I'm gonna put it aside with it, marinate for a while. I'm gonna let it marinate until I get my wet ingredients together. Okay, guys? I'll let the dry ingredients marinate until I get my wet ingredients together. I'll be cutting up my onion and scallion and garlic and stuff while this marinates. Okay guys, I'm gonna cover this and let it marinate until I'm finished. So stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. So okay guys, I'm gonna add my wet seasoning to my turkey wings. I have some green onions over here. And 1 onion. Some more green onion too. I'm gonna leave some for my rice. Okay, so this will be for my rice. I'm gonna add some garlic. First, the garlic is for my rice. I'm gonna season my color rice. I'm gonna add 1 little pepper. Guys, don't watch the pepper, they are very hot. It may be small, but it's very hot. Talawa. The little body talawa like Jamaicans, okay? So now I'm gonna add some salt to my water for my rice. Just gonna add a little dash of salt, not too much. And I'm gonna season my water also. So I have garlic and green onion and onions inside and my pepper. So I'm gonna season my water for my kalalo rice. Okay guys, so that is finished. So now I'm gonna mix up my seasoning in my turkey wings. Just make sure it's all the wet seasonings all over. I'm gonna put more curry on it now. It's not looking so bright, so. So guys, I'm gonna get my green sweet pepper and cut up. I only love to put green sweet pepper inside. Okay guys, I'm gonna cover it back and let it stay and marinate. Okay guys, so stay tuned, I'll be right back. So okay guys, I'm gonna add some coconut milk to my rice water, just to give it some flavor guys. Let it taste nice. So I'm gonna stir it up and I'm gonna turn up the stove a little bit higher so it can boil up, so I could wash my rice and my salad and put inside. Okay guys, so I'm turning it up a little bit. So I'm gonna let this boil up and I'm gonna talk about my turkey wings. Okay guys, my pot is on the fire. I'm gonna add my oil, olive oil. I'm gonna add a little to my pot. Yeah, about 2-3 tablespoons. And I'm gonna add some curry. I'm gonna burn my curry a little bit. well hot, but it's getting there. So, okay. So we're just gonna let that hot and burn a little bit before I add my turkey wings. So okay guys, I'm gonna add my turkey wings to my Dutch pot, to my hot oil, and my burned curry. I don't love to add water in the beginning. I want to let my meat spring its own water. That's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna cover it and let it spring its own water, guys. So I'm gonna turn on the stove back a little bit lower and let it spring its own water. So stay tuned guys, and I'll open it as soon as it springs some water inside. So okay guys, we're going to add our rice to our seasoned water. Okay, so that's it. And guys, I save my rice water, what I wash with the rice, to do my my plants in the house. So I'm gonna stir it up, let everything combine together. And then after I'm gonna add, when it boil up, I'm gonna add my callaloo. So stay tuned guys and keep watching. Okay guys, we're gonna add our callaloo. Okay guys, I drain off the water and rinse it off a little bit. So now I'm gonna add it to my rice. So I'm making callaloo rice guys. So I'm gonna stir it up in my rice and let it cook. Oops. Okay, let me take out the thyme stick. So I don't need that in there anymore. So guys, my callaloo rice will soon be finished cooking. Put all this stick for the time. So I'm gonna let it stay there and steam now guys. And my turkey wings is over there on the fire also. So everything will soon be ready guys, so stay tuned and keep watching. So okay guys, as you can see, my turkey wings, my curry turkey wings are coming on fine. They're coming on pretty fine guys. I'm cooking them very slowly. Very slowly I'm cooking. And you know turkey wings take a little time to cook, so just stay tuned, keep watching. So okay guys, I'm gonna add my sweet pepper. My turkey wings is halfway in its cooking, so I'm gonna add my sweet pepper. I'm gonna let it cook slow and easy. I'm gonna add 2 Irish potatoes. I'm gonna add 2 Irish inside too. Okay, I'm gonna add my Irish. I just cut them up and wash them, so I'm adding them also. And I'm just gonna stir it up and let it take its time and cook guys. No, I'm not in a hurry to finish. It's just almost 3:30 and it's for supper. So I'll let it slowly cook guys. I don't have to add any water to it, or you slowly cook it, it will spring its own water. Okay guys, so stay tuned and keep watching. So okay guys, so now our turkey wings is finished. So we're gonna make a plate and let you guys see the finished product. Okay guys, so we're gonna share our callaloo rice and curry turkey wings. So this is my plate over here. I'm gonna share my rice first.
Remember when we talked for hours under that old tree? Your voice was like the mowing rain, setting my soul free.
So that's my rice. I'm going to share my turkey wings now.
Heavy heart needs somewhere to go. Come back to the well again, where the water flows so free. Come back to the well again. That's where I need to be. Living water, living water.
Now I'm gonna put my plantain and my salad.
Every step I take leads me back to you. Every breath I make says
So I have cabbage and carrots and some cranberries.
back to you. Always back to you.
Okay guys, so that's my finished product of my curry turkey wings and my callaloo rice.
Come back to the well again.
So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please, and tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in our next video. Ciao, God love you. Bye bye.